Hi everyone, my name is Birazar Siddharth. Today date is 24 March 2022. Today's topic is Java linked hash map class. Java linked hash map class is a hash table and linked list implementation of the map interface with predictable iteration order. In it inherits hash map class and implements the map interface. Points to remember: Java linked hash map contains value based on the key. Java linked hash map contains unique element. Java linked hash map may have one null key and multiple null values. Java linked hash map is non-synchronized. Java hash map maintains insertion order and the initial default capacity of the Java hash map class is 16 with the load factor of 0.75. Linked hash map class declaration. Let's see the declaration of for Java util dot linked hash map class. Public class linked hash map key and value generic extends hash map key value implements map key value. Linked hash map class parameters. Let's see the parameters for Java util linked this hash map. In class key k and v value, it is the type of keys maintained by the map. V, it is the type of mapped values. Constructors of Java linked hash map class, in which constructor and description. Constructor is a linked hash map. It is used to construct a default hash map, linked list hash map, and linked hash map into capacity. It is used to initialize a linked hash map with the given capacity. Linked hash map point int capacity load. It is used to initialize both the float capacity and load factor. And next is linked hash map int capacity. It is used to the both of the float capacity and the load factor with boolean specified ordering mode. Linked hash map is extend the it is used to initialize the linked hash map with the elements from the given map class. Methods of Java linked hash map class method and description. Next is a method we get object key method. It is returns of the value to which of the specified key is mapped, and void clear. It is removes all the key value pairs from a map. Boolean contains value object value method. It is description is it is returns true if the map maps one or more keys to the specified values. And next method is set map entry. Key value entry set. It returns the set of view of the mapping contained in the map, and void for each v consumer key and v super v action. Description is it is performs the given action for each entry in the map util all entries having the proceed or action throws an exception. And we get default object key default value. And description is it is returns of the value which of the specified key is mapped or default value. If this map contains no tab mapping for the key and set key set, it is returns the set view of the key contained in the map. A protected method. Boolean it returns true or false. And next, remove and eldest entry map in the eldest. Removing it eldest entry. Void replace the function key and super v extends the function. In description it replaces each entry's value with the result of invoking the given function on that entry until all entries have been processed or the function throws on the exception. And collection v values, it returns of the collection of the values contained in this map, in which hash map in that in view of the values contained to the in this map. Thank you.